Hello guys, RTG here, and welcome back to another command block tutorial. Today I'm gonna teach you how to make custom books in vanilla Minecraft. So as you see, this is page 1 of 3, and this is a tutorial on how to make your own customized books. So this is a new page, this is a new line, colored text and bold and underlined. And now onto the better stuff. This is a hover event, so when you hover over it shows your text, and a click event executes a command when you click on the text. And nowhere else. So, what's the power of this, you may ask? Well, if you get one of this, for example, I got TP to spawn, TP to the 1.8 park, so if I TP to spawn, I'll get teleported here at my spawn, and as you see my coordinates are 0 and 0, which is beautiful, and I can teleport back to the 1.8 park. There we are. So, if you want to make one of these, you should hang on, because I'm going to teach you all the tips and tricks on how to make one of these. And yeah, let's get straight into Notepad, because that's a lot more clear than the command block lines. See you there. Here we are in Notepad, and as you see, I've got the command for the tutorial book right here, and I split it up so so I can explain everything and you can understand it easily. Because if I show look at the top row. Yeah, I don't think you'll understand that bits easier, I think. So, yeah, here I started with just giving myself a Minecraft written book, which is the written book. 1 and 0, it's 1 and it doesn't have any data value, so let's keep that. And yeah, I'll start making my own. So as you see right here, we'll start with opening and closing the pointy brackets right here and right here. Closing right here, opening right here. And then the important stuff starts already, because you start with a title. And this is not really necessary. It doesn't work with. It does work without. But for example, let's say, I got tutorial there, test, and I'll show you. That's just the name of the book. So if we go in Minecraft and I go to the books, this is tutorial by me, and it's the original. This one is Workbook by the RTG Productions, which is not my Minecraft name. It's my YouTube name. And it's also original. So, here title equals test, and no capitalizing here, important. Then this is important, author. In the newest snapshot 14W26B, it won't work without the author. So the author today is your name, for example. And then we're gonna add the pages, or the text, I should say. So pages, colon, and then square brackets. And if you don't know already, square brackets, keep the pointy brackets, if you have multiple of those, like this, they keep them together and say that they belong to the pages. But first we're gonna stay with one piece of pointy brackets. And oh wait, forgot something. Don't forget those. Really important. I don't know how they're called. Don't mind. And then text, colon, and this is important to know. It's not just like this and then put your text in between. In books and on signs, which is my previous video, you do it like this. Okay, right there. Come on. Right there. And here's your text in between those. So you need to add those backslashes between. Mind that. So what's the text on our first page? This is the first page. This is just the first page, first line, etc, etc. So yeah, really easy. Now we're gonna add another line. And how are we gonna do this? Not adding another page by comma and then this, because this is gonna add another page. So forget about that. And after the how they call, I don't know. After this, just press a comma. Mind that you stay between those. Between the pointy brackets, because those determine which page you are. So we're on one page, and then press extra. And that just means that we're going to add something else. and we're going to apply colors and such to it, but it won't apply to the first piece of text. So extra, colon, square brackets, pointy brackets, and then again text, colon, backslash, one of those, backslash, one of those. And then in between, of course, your text. So this is the second line, or let's say third, and I'll explain why. Third is like this, right? Yeah, line. Yeah, and now the important thing is, because you're using extra, it will just paste it right after it. So what you can do is press space here, and the next piece will come a space later. But what you can do is just use the backslash n, which basically means next line. So this is on the next line, this is on the second line. It will be right underneath each other, but if you want another line lower, backslash n, and it will be another line lower. And you can go on until the page is finished. But we'll go with this, and then we're gonna add color to it. So the color is, yeah, black is default, so let's go with, I don't know, yellow. And we want to underline it, so underlined. Oh, we're still here, okay. Underlined, we're right here by the way, for the guys who, yeah, missed it. Underlined, true. Yeah, so it will be a line underneath it. And what we can do now is bold, true. And if you look those up at the internet, there are a lot more. You can put a stripe through it, or yeah, I don't know. You put a long line of those through it. Yeah, but you can find those on the internet. Not today, but we're gonna underline it and get it bold. So yeah, that's the third line. Now we're gonna add another page. And how do we do this? Just at the end of the square brackets in the beginning, and I can show you right here. Yeah, this is the first stuff, then the pages, and this is one page right here. I summarized it really easily, sorry. And there's just text in it. Then the next page, comma, and do this again, and then with different text in it. So that's what we're gonna do. Oh, thank you. So we're here again, comma, two of those, square brackets in between, and then text, colon, backslash, one of those, backslash, one of those, and then another piece of text. So new page is ready. Oh, see, ready, thank you. And then let's head back really quick, and we can see that, what did we do here? I added extra right here, we did that. New lines already, color text, bold and underlined. Yeah. So here, now under the better stuff, the hover events and the click events. And those are more cool and more difficult, of course. So new page is ready. And then we're doing extra, just add another line, extra, colon, square brackets, no, sorry. Square brackets, those. Okay, pointy brackets and then text. One of those. Oh, we can do it like this. Okay, and then the text is hover event. Write that. And this is more important. How you are more difficult, I should say. So hover event and then comma and then really, yeah. Hover and then capital E event. Write that. Colon. Then two square brackets. And then action. And now we're going to determine which action it will be. And it will be a show text, I think. Need to see really quick. Yeah, show text. Thank you. And don't add a text yet, just a comma. And then value. And here's where you're going to add a text. And once again, backslash, one of those, and another backslash. Like this. And then in between, of course, your text you want to hover about. So, yeah, what do I want to say? See, it's worked. It would be really funny if it didn't, but we'll come back to that if it didn't. So yeah, that's the hover event. So now we want to add another text to it. So go here, because here we opened one of those square brackets. Oh, he uses... What happens? Okay. We opened one. We opened another one. So we need to close two. And we close two. So if you don't know what I'm saying, we're opening one square bracket here. And we're opening another one here. Because it's, yeah, opening. So we need to close those before we adding another one, otherwise we'll get error that we have unbalanced brackets. So here we close two, and we come nice and safe back to the binder, the square bracket binders, and then just add another one, text, and then, yeah, what would we say, clickEvent, and then a colon. No, wait, sorry. Oh man, we forgot something. Got distracted right there. Yeah, we need a backslash combination right here again. And then the text clickEvent, finally. Then, comma, clickEvent with a capital E again. And then, colon, square bracket, or pointy brackets, sorry. And then, action. And this time, it's, I think, use command, but I'm not sure. Let's see. Run command. There we go. It sounded a bit odd, use command. Run command. And this command will be executed by the player, not by the system. So if you want to teleport someone, you don't need to use the @p parameter. Just put the coordinates. So yeah, that's really cool. So yeah, it's gonna be the run command. And then the value, once again, is gonna be the command. So first, wait, this combination again, and then the command, and then you get a slash, the normal slash, and then we're gonna say TP, and then the nearest player. Yeah, as I said, you'll execute a command by yourself, so you don't need to say @p because you're targeting yourself. And yeah, just teleporting myself 5 blocks up. So yeah, that should do. I'll quickly check if I made any mistakes and I'll be back. So here we are back in our bug. Everything seemed to work fine except for this. New page is ready. Perfectly fine, but we forgot the new line for the clickEvent. And I think for the hoverEvent too, right? Yeah. So just add /n. This won't change because yeah, it didn't fit on the line anymore, so that's why it isn't there. So the hoverEvent is fixed. Then go to clickEvent right here. And this is the text once again, and then new line. So, real quick, put this back in my command block. And I'm lagging when I'm not recording my screen directly. And as you see, first page, then here, new page is ready, hoverEvent, see it worked, then clickEvent, and I'll get teleported 5 blocks up. So, let me quickly get back into Minecraft and I'll talk to you again. So, back in Minecraft, no lag anymore. But as I said, it worked. The text is yellow, but yeah, you can't read it really well, such as white, so you probably won't use those colors. But new page is ready, hoverEvent, see it worked, and clickEvent will get teleported 5 blocks up. Works perfectly fine. So yeah, that's everything you need to know. You can make your own bugs now. So yeah, I hope you like this. Yeah, maybe tell in the comments how you used it, where you used it for. So yeah. Tell me if you want to know something. I'm ready to help people. I have lots of time, summer vacation. So if you want to have some advice or something, just tell it in the comments or something. But anyway, that's the end of the episode, or the episode, the video. Sorry. So yeah, I hope you liked. And anyway.